Hi guys, today we will talk about how to delete a domain on your Shopify store. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is head over to your store on which you want to delete your domain, and then you will see a lot of different options on the left side of your computer screen. From these, you have to tap on the option setting. Once you will click on the option setting, you will get access to your account setting. Now scroll down, and here you can see the option of domains. Click on it. Below, you will see my old domains, which I use in my Shopify store. And also, I can connect an existing one. Plus, I can buy a new one by clicking on the option Buy a New Domain. But below, you will see the domain, which I already used. So, in order to delete, make sure you are using that domain on your Shopify store, because without using that, you cannot delete. So now look for the domain which you want to delete, just for showing you. I will click on this. And if I scroll down here, you can see the option of delete domain. If I click on it and tap on the option remove, then this domain will be removed from my Shopify store. As you can see, the domain has been removed successfully. Now, if you want to add another one, then click on it, or you want to use the previous one, then click on this option, and that's it.